Banter Royale, we've got 4 traders for you guys. We got 69 minutes. They are trading against one another for a cash prize. The best part is you're going to be able to take some of the trades with the guys. Let's go. Guys, and remember, as always, you're going to hit that like, you're going to hit the bell, and you're going to hit the subscribe. Now, Banter Royale, we are trading on the Gravity DEX today, and the boys are fired up. The boys are ready. Let's get them out here, and let's take a look at who we got, who are our contenders today. So, top right, we've got Trader J. We've pulled him out of the Hackers Discord. We call him the muscles in there. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen him before. Bottom left, we've got Alex. He's our chart prime indicator guru. You guys definitely seen him before. I see he's got a dog in the background there, hopefully going to help him. And we got your reigning champion Degen Dave in the middle, and I think it's fitting that he's in the middle there. So he's got I think he's got 4 out of 5 wins in the Banter Royale, so welcome, sir. And then bottom right, we've got Nico, and he's one of our community members in the Hackers Discord. And I said to the guys in the community, who's the filthiest Degen here that thinks he's going to take on some of my traders? And Nico's name came up a couple of times, so we thought let's give it a go. Okay, so boys, the clock has actually started here. I think Theo's going to put on a countdown here for us, but the clock has started, and we're going to get out some of the screens here. You can see the guys are active and they're ready to get going. So as of now, they are allowed to take trades. Okay, 69 minutes, we are going to cut the competition, and basically whoever has the highest total equity in their account when we are done is going to be the winner of the $5,000 cash prize. Okay, so right now they've all got $1,000 in their accounts, and they're frantically pushing buttons. I know they've been watching this dump here over the last couple of minutes, so it's definitely going to get exciting. And what I want from the guys, and we're going to talk to them obviously individually, we've got a lot of time, you're going to get to know some of the traders here, but when they are going to take a position, what I want them to do is obviously tell me what's going on so that you guys can engage as well, and that you guys can take some of these trades with the guys. So make sure you are ready to go, guys. If you want to do this on Gravity with us, there is a link in the show description, and there a reminder, there is 5 days left in the Banter community competition to win a share of $15,000 on Gravity as well. So just sign up there and use the code Banter Royale, and you guys can get involved there with us. Now, there's a lot of activity here in front of me at the moment, but I don't see any positions. Is Jay in a position there? No, he's not. Boys, talk to me. Jay, what's going on here?
I'm looking at BARD. It is the only one that's green on Gravity's list today. It's gone up 2% today. I just want to see if it comes back for a bullish retest, and then I want to try and get into this trade over here for a possible scalp long.
Now, where did you find this thing, BARD, bro? Where do you find this thing?
I have no idea. I literally looked at Gravity's list. I've never even seen it before. It's absolute filth, guys. So we'll trade it. It's either send me or in me.
Okay. Let's see what's going on here with Alex as well. Alex, what you cooking there? You're gonna keep it simple, hey? You're using regular tokens, I'm guessing.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna keep it simple, man. I know Sol pretty well. I've analyzed Sol pretty extensively with chart prime indicators, so I kind of know when it's reversing, and I'm actually gonna go long now. Limit orders only, right? I'm trying to get in a limit order, but
so the reason we're doing limit orders, if you hit market orders, sometimes the spread's a bit thin there, and you might find yourself a little bit negative as you push market. So if you're trading on Gravity, obviously hit the limit orders and just move your orders there. Let's see if Alex has picked up. Okay, so Alex is long on Sol. Is there a TP that you can give the guys here?
Yeah, so I'm looking at a TP of around short term, let me share my screen so I can.
Okay, so we can see your Gravity exchange here in front of us.
Yep, I gotta switch screens here. So,
I see there's a big bounce here on BTC.
And okay, so you guys can see my screen right now. This is on the 1 minute, so really degen time frames. But if I really want to do a micro scalp, I'd probably be taking profits right here if I had like a little bit higher leverage. But if I go on over to the 5 minute time frame, we go around to our VPVR, our chart prime money flow range, and the most money has been traded right all the way up here. I'm thinking we're recovering all the way up to the top right here. And as you can see on the 3 minute and the 1 minute, we're getting a ton of reversal candles right here. We got a TP2 signal, we got a reversal on our oscillator. So for me, this is screaming at least a short-term reversal, I would say, up to around like 132.
Okay, so Little Scalp is locked in for Alex. Let's take a look and see what Dave has got cooking here at the moment. Oh, I see you in something as well. What are you doing here, bro?
Yeah, I took a long on H here. Kind of the thought process here. This is my trading view. Shorter time frame bullish divergences on the 5 minute, and this token also has been slaughtered and hasn't kind of came into this big horizontal. It was already down 10% today prior to this crash, so the fact that it was already kind of still at 10% is kind of my trigger to enter this trade.
Okay.
So
how big is your size here? So you got $1,000 account. What's your size here?
This is a $4,000 position here.
Okay, so Dave is long H. We got Alex long S. Let's take a look. Let's take a chat with Nico, the local Degen. What do you got here, bro? You've got
What's
a limit
up,
order
fam?
waiting.
No, I'm in the position. I'm in Esther.
Will you
And I
click
got-
on
I
your
got asked
positions
very
there?
often.
Go to your positions there on the left there, top
Yeah,
left hand side. Right now it says
Right now,
open orders. Okay, so you're trying to get you've limit ordered and your limit order didn't pick up. That's what's going on there. Or are you in?
It did
oh, there
pick
we
up.
go.
I'm
Okay.
in the order.
Okay,
Yeah,
there
yeah,
you go. You got Moo-Deng,
Yeah.
you got Asta. Talk to me. What's the thought process here?
Well, I'm thinking. I got asked very like often in the hackers Discord, like the strategy I'm using. It's called LSOB, liquidity sweep order block, and it's basically the
Can't hear
candle
anything.
that has the lowest price. You mark that 5 minute candle. You got this order block, and then you wait the price to
Someone
retrace.
talking?
Do you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. So
Alex?
you wait the price to get out.
Are you talking to me?
No, we're talking to Nico.
I can't hear him.
Okay. We'll fix it.
Yeah,
we'll
I
fix
can
it. Don't
hear him,
worry.
bro.
Okay, Nico, carry on, sir.
It's weird.
Okay. So you want the candles to close outside the order block and then come and retest, and you want the 1 5-minute candle to confirm to close above the order block, which happened.
Do you want
right
to share
here.
your
Yes,
trading view here, Nico? We can see your gravity.
trading view?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, whichever you're
Just a
showing
second.
us here, just
Just
so
a
the
second.
guys can have an
Just a second.
understanding of
Here.
your strategy here.
Do you see my trading view now?
We can see your gravity screen at the moment.
Just give me a second. Boomer vibes, guys.
It's funny. I can see. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's resetting. You were charting there on gravity. It has reset now, so we're gonna have to wait and
Yeah.
your current screen seems to be frozen on your chart. Okay. Okay. So now we're waiting for Jay to jump into something. It looks like Jay might be in a position here now. What are you looking at there, bro?
Got BTC and HBAR, but struggling to pick up my HBAR limit. I'm not sure if I'm in the trade. No, I'm not in the trade yet. I'm gonna keep trying to get into this trade.
Okay. What is this? HBAR, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna check in with the guys in a sec. Let them do what they need to do. Let's cover a couple of other things here. I'm gonna take you guys through a little bit of BTC, and let's see where we are. Let's see where these guys are in a couple of minutes. So obviously the initial nerves are cooking now, and now at least they're settling into a couple of positions. So let's get out some BTC and just take a look where we are and what is going on, because I know there's a lot of questions there as to why this market was dumping over the last couple of hours here. So let's pull these guys up as well. There we go. Okay, so you can see what's going on here. I'm looking at BTC on the 2 hour, and this is why these guys were getting so excited, because they could see a reversal coming. And you can see this 87,700. It's just a local 618 here for BTC, so giving us a little Sunday bounce at the moment. We'll have to wait and see if there's going to be a little bit more energy, but right now you can see we're just waiting for this oscillator to reverse, and it's possibly a bullish divergence print coming on the 2 hour if we can get a hard bounce here. So we're just looking for this reversal here. We want to print that higher low on that oscillator, and maybe then we get a little bit more energy for a late Sunday pump. So that is obviously ideal scenario number one for us. So 87,700, guys, that is the big support that we are tracking at the moment. If we do drop lower down, 85.8, that looks like a 4 hour reversal zone. And then obviously our old weekend low from when was this, the 22nd of November is our old weekend low, 83,500. We're looking for that bounce. So these are the key ones that I'm tracking this weekend. Hopefully they're not going to come and do too much more damage to us over the next few hours, but those are the big ones for me. And then in terms of upside, we can just track this VWAP here. You can see that horizontal, so 90, call it 91k. That could be your first sort of port of call for potential shorts if you guys are looking for something, and that probably ties in with Alex's Sol Long that he is running now at the moment on Gravity. So yeah, small little moves possibly on the weekend. Let's chat to the guys here and see. They all watch different things in the market, so I'm pretty keen to hear from Jay. He's a big gold trader in the 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃's Discord. He trades the Nasdaq a lot as well, and he tracks a ton of BTC. Jay, can we still hope for a Santa rally here? Are we pumping into the FOMC? What are we looking for this week, bro?
I really would have liked to have been pumping already, I guess. This weekend I was hoping for altcoins to do a bit of a rally. You saw the meme coins did a nice little push this morning, like yesterday, Bengu, Bonk. I think Popcat, I didn't actually watch Popcat, but I know Bonk and Bengu did a nice little run. But in terms of BTC, there could be still one more lower level. It could be even to that 75k, and that we could be going to the 96k from there. BTC does look very weak on the 4 hour though. On the 4 hour, it does look super weak.
Yeah, it's not looking great, eh? Alex, do you ever track anything more than 15-minute candles, bro? Do you look at the bigger picture?
Sometimes, bro. I'm like a squirrel, dude. I'm not patient enough for the long term stuff. But I would say, I don't know, man. I was saying yesterday that Bitcoin's kind of in like honey badger mode, and too many people I feel like are really bearish right now. So I could definitely see just a bamboozle from BTC coming on like bigger time frames, and then just rip up to like 98, 100k, something like that. It's kind of what our indicators are saying as well. So
yeah, I mean the higher time frame looks okay, right? The 3-day for me looks decent. Possible bullish divergence on that 3-day coming, but that means we do drop lower. But like overall, the picture is leaning into some kind of rally, right? I mean that would be the ideal scenario.
The daily for me is looking kind of iffy. I'm seeing some hidden bearish divergence forming on several different oscillators there. Yeah, like longer term, I think, definitely heading on.
Okay, well, there you go, guys. Alex says it's all going to be okay in the end. Dave, what do you got there, bro? What are you thinking this week?
Yeah, no, I mean, I think like same thing with Trader J. It felt like there should have been something this weekend, and based on the Friday dump and this weekend, no selling pressure. Honestly, I'm kind of 50-50. Could just be an immediate sell-off. I honestly, I don't know. I'm not sure.
So, I mean, that wasn't a very helpful answer, bro. Can you send us up or down? Can you give us something to work with?
Not too long ago. I'm still kind of assessing.
But this is the thing with these traders. You can see they're less worried about these bigger moves. These guys are watching much lower time frames. Yeah, Nico, keen to hear your opinion. I mean, his name in the Discord is basically shitcoin guru or something. So, what is your sentiment on alts? Where are you on BTC, bro?
I think we're gonna get some kind of a bounce around 85k on BTC, and then I expect lower, guys. I think we are sending these shitcoins to zero.
Not a very nice Christmas gift there, sir. Okay. So Nico, our shitcoin guru in the Chart Hackers Discord, yeah, he thinks they're going to zero. So that's not a good all-round summary then from the boys. Let's check in on our P&Ls here. Let's start with Jay. What is your current equity at the moment in your account? So you started with 1,000. What you sitting on now, bro?
999.
He's not German. It's literally 999. Alex, what's your current P&L? Right?
All right, so I had to. Gravity wouldn't let me send less than 200, so it's a little skewed because I sent 50 to like top it up exactly. So I am subtracting 200 from my total. I'm at 1065.
Okay, so you sent too much money to your exchange. Is that what happened?
No, like I already had 950.
Okay.
And then with Tron, it doesn't let you send less than 200. So I had to send 250.
So you can take it out and transfer it into another account, huh?
Yep, I'll do that right now.
Okay, we'll check in with Alex now. Dave, P&L, bro.
Yeah, basically negative 100-ish.
Okay, Nico.
I'm at 994.
994. Okay, so the boys are all under pressure, except Alex seems like he might be a little bit up here at the moment, but he's doing his creative accounting quickly, cleaning up his account there, bro. What is this, bro?
Books, guys, I swear.
I'm gonna have to audit this. Okay, let's guys, I'm running a poll at the moment in the chats, and I've asked you guys, just jump into the chats there, I've asked you guys who is going to win today's Banter Royale. Okay, Alex, Dave, Trader J, or Nico, let us know who you guys are voting for. Let's try and tally some of these results. I'm keen to see what you guys are interested in here and who's going to take it for you. Let's see who's in the chats. I can see a lot of hackers are here in the chats with us at the moment as well. And I see Chaos is backing Dave for the win again. Desert Fox is backing Dave. Who's calling Alex a squirrel here? I think it's Chaos there in the chat, calling Alex a bit of a squirrel. Kimmy says smash the likes. And Tishan says, let's look at AVAX. Yeah, guys, look, while we're trading, obviously, if the boys are going to jump into more positions, I'd like them obviously to let us know so that we can all take some of the positions with them. But while we are waiting, the nice thing is we can obviously ask some of the guys to chart for us. I can obviously look at a couple of charts for you guys as well. So let us know in the chats what you want to look at. I think AVAX is a good call. Let's take a look at AVAX. And guys, keep it coming in the chats. Let's see what we can start charting for you guys. I did play around with SPX and a couple of others. I see Hype is dropping hard today. And I believe there's a big sell-off there. A lot of the guys are de-risking into I think it's the lighter DEX or something. They're trying to get rid of Hype and move into lighter or something like that. So that's an interesting one to watch. But I do believe Hype is going to make a comeback at some point. So we will look at some of those levels. Yeah, we got requests for Hype. XRP coming in here. 𝗙𝗘𝗏𝗃 says Alex is going to win.
All right. Got one fan at least.
There you go, one. Nico's got one too. BBX says Nico. Okay, we got a lot of questions for Hype. Okay, so I'm happy to look at some of these shitcoins, obviously. Dave, do you want to chart something here for the guys? Will you look at AVAX for us, bro, while we're waiting?
Sure.
Okay, so Dave is going to look at AVAX. I think Alex should look at Sol. We've got a question from 𝗏𝗏𝗏 looking for Sol. So Alex, if you can chart some Sol there for us on a reasonable time frame, bro. Maybe like a 4 hour, for you, dude? 4 hour,
hour,
2
okay.
hour,
All
4
right,
hour. Yeah. Give us something there. I know Jay likes a bit of ENA, so Snake Link is looking for some ENA. Jay, if you want to fiddle around on some ENA there for us.
Cool.
And then we got questions on a SUI reversal. Okay. And Nico, do you feel like doing some charting, bro? Do you have any views on any else at the moment that you're tracking?
Yeah, why not? Just say one. I want to do it.
Go. Somebody's asked for Mina. I have no idea what that is. No, in fact, Nico, give us 𝗁𝗍, bro. Take a look at 𝗁𝗍. Okay. Give us 𝗁𝗍 on like an 8 hour time frame. Let's see if we can put something together there for us. Okay, in the meantime, I'll jump into some else while we wait for the boys to prep their charts, and let's take a look at what is cooking here at the moment. So let's get the screen going here. Okay, so one of the ones that's been interesting to me is SPX. Interesting little bounce zone here at the moment that I'm tracking. So there's a couple of things going on. I'm watching the 2 hour time frame, And you can see this oscillator here. We've got this bullish divergence, multiple prints, but it's failing at the moment. But what this means for me is we're probably going to print more divergence. Okay, so there's going to be another spider web here. And I know Alex is going to start frothing at the mouth when he sees the amount of spider webs on this thing. So I think SPX is teeing up for a nice move at some point. And the big support here for me is going to be this 592. Okay, so that's going to be our first one. So if we do start grinding up here, we should hold this 592 and maybe just maybe a push into either that undercarriage over there at 69, alternatively possible short zone coming again at that range high, which is floating around 73, 74. Okay, so that right now, 592, good support for SPX, guys, and then upside 70 and 74 making a bit of sense to me. If we can lock in this divergence, we generally get a fairly strong move, okay, once they start kicking off. So yeah, it's around the corner, it looks like. Alex, what do you make of this, bro? There's 3 triple divergences and a regular divergence on SPX on the 2 hour.
Let me pull up your screen here. Oh man, it's kind of grainy. So you've seen a triple divergence. Ugh, can't see it very well. Let me get back to you on that.
Okay, he's going to take a look there for us, guys. Now, you know that we've got a Banter Royale. Like, he's an absolute champion. He's got won 4 out of 5 of these Banter Royales, and I just want to remind you, there's a workshop coming up on Tuesday. It's going to be myself and Degen Dave. We are doing a scalping workshop for you guys. Okay, so what you need to do if you want to participate in that workshop, there is a link in the show description. It's going to be a closed Zoom. It's free. It's open to everybody. All you need to do is be on a Banter 2-bit link, okay, and you got $100 in your account for you to trade, and then you're going to scalp with us, and Dave is going to teach you a couple of his tips and tricks as to how he picks his tokens, and you're going to get insights into why he can consistently win some of these Banter Royale scalping competitions over 69 minutes. Okay, so he's going to let you in on a couple of secrets. I'm going to give you guys a few tips and tricks as well. I'm going to show you how I go about a few things. So all you need to do, just go into the show description. You're going to go down here, you're going to click on more, and you're going to find the links for all of that stuff is waiting here for you guys. Okay, so just jump in there. You're going to find it there in the show description. Just go into that link there at the bottom and click on that, and you're going to get your invite into the 2-bit scalping session with myself and Dave. Okay, boys, how are your charts looking? Who's ready to share?
Yeah, I have AVAX whenever.
Okay, let's get Davey out here. Okay, so let's talk to Dave. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, look, on the kind of from the 10-10 wick to the high here, you can see that we had this fake out situation. Couldn't even make it to the 50-day MA, so definitely weakness. On the shorter time frames from that rally on Monday, 786 retracement currently. So as far as the shorter time frames, could bounce here. How high of a bounce, I'm not sure. And then on the lower time frames here, we had quite a bit of signals here saying, hey, we should be reversing. Blue reversal dot, kind of spider webs going on here, and that was happening right here, and we're pretty much here again. So yeah, it could be a play. Again, it seems like AVAX has lost the spotlight here, but you know, could be a small bounce to this trend line. So maybe a scalp here.
So yeah, I mean, I'm kind of sitting in an AVAX position at the moment. So yeah, I mean, I'd prefer to see some kind of bounce. What is this time frame here?
This is the 21.
Okay, so 21 minutes here. Okay, so possible move here to the trend, basically.
To the trend, but if we really get some strength here with Bitcoin, break trend, and then we've got this POC at 1390, that would be our next fight, and that would be basically 6% away from where we're at now. You can set a stop loss below the this recent wick here that just occurred.
Okay,
But,
so guys,
yeah,
possible
value-
bounce here on
value
AVAX.
really-
Stop is below that wick. You can either look for a close below that wick, or you can have a hard stop under that wick. Possible push up here on AVAX.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at the other boys. Who's got another chart here for us? Alex, how's Solana looking for us here, bro?
Solana's looking good. On the hourly time frame, let's pull up chart here. I'm optimistic for a reversal. A lot of times when we get this blue dot and then it fails and then there's a huge dump down, usually that's like the last dump. Okay, kind of a weird thing that I've noticed over the years of analyzing. Also, we have very strong volume still. We're not kind of in the shitter like we were here when we got this big dump. So I think we have strong bullish volume on the hourly. Maybe we consolidate for a little bit here. We have a fair value gap all the way up towards 131, 132. And that's as far as I want to go until Bitcoin really kind of makes a decision. But I do see a reversal up to around this area, 132, 133, which coincides with what we're saying.
How big is this push?
The push that we're going to get right now?
Yeah, this reversal you're looking at here. How big is this move?
We're talking, let's see, about a 2% move.
Okay, possible short up there, huh? I mean, this is Degen, right? 2%, eh?
Yeah, bro. Come on. We're a scalping show, dude. I mean, like,
I know.
Give me a break here.
I mean, I'd like a little bit more than 2%,
I'm
right?
bringing
If
the
you don't
scalping
mind.
vibes. I'm bringing the scalping vibes.
Okay, let's see. I see Nico's banged out a chart here as well. Is this your Zcash, Nico?
Yes, sir. It's Zcash. So I'm here on a higher time frame. I'm daily, and I'm really looking for BTC to go lower. So I would guess we'll come and sweep these lows over here. We have a VWAP from when this move basically started, from down here, and I think we're gonna sweep that. There's VWAP, there's a hacker zone, and there is a 50 SMA on a daily over there. So that looks like a great level for me if we're gonna bounce after Bitcoin dumpy. And all I'm looking is pump into the trend, retest, and then sending this shitcoin to zero after that.
I like the spirit, right? I like that spirit. It's good. It's good. Okay, so here's a question for everybody. Zcash, are we done? Or was this time different? Or is Zcash going back to where it needs to go, Jay?
Going back to where it needs to. They all do.
But this
They
time
all
was
go
different.
back home. They all go back home.
Okay, let's see. You did some ENA for us, Jay. Can we take a look at that?
Yeah, let me just, I can just change the chart. In terms of ENA, I looked at it like on the, first of all, the higher time frame. I was like, wow. I haven't looked at some altcoins for quite a long time, and I was like, wow, this is really at the bottom of the barrel here. ENA is back at 25 cents. Degen Dave and myself, we love to trade a bit of ENA. And now it's literally back at the exact same point where we were longing it from the bottom of June. It's unbelievable, but this thing is back here. So it's at value area low, and it's holding some sort of like a higher trend here, or a rising trend, I should say. So we don't really want to be losing this 786 currently right now. So we have made some sort of higher low over here, and now it's coming back into range. The only problem is it is under the VWAP, so we've had some sort of bearish retest here into the 0.5 fib. So that kind of is like a market structure shift to the downside for me. So in terms of ENA, I really don't want to be seeing, this horizontal support here on the 8 hour to be lost. So if they do come into that 786, and hit this liquidity zone here, I'll be quite interested to take a long trade up. And then, as you love to say, that fair value gap, right a bit higher up here, hitting into that undercarriage, that could be a nice little trade in terms of ENA 786. We know that everyone gets super bearish when altcoins go into there. We have a 786 rising trend, huge engulfing candle to the downside and towards the upside. So I'd like to invert this fair value gap and take it back towards the upside, which is around 27 cents. Would be a nice little move.
The sad part about what you're telling me is that this market needs to drop more.
It's close. I mean, it did have a wick down into the 0.75. But yes, in terms of BTC, it really needs to get back above 89.60 for me, you know, back into that 4-hour low, you know, back above daily open. That would be a little bit better for BTC. I have taken a long on BTC, you know, in the hope that the previous day low does get reclaimed. But, you know, it's the weekend. So Asia open tomorrow will be fine.
Okay, so possible downside coming. Let's have an account equity check, P&L check. Alex, do I need to do some accounting here, or have you sorted your life out?
No, I'm legit now. I'm legit.
Okay, what's your number?
I'm at total equity 1033.
Okay, $33 up. You guys have got about what do we got? 30 minutes left here, boys. No, we got 40 minutes left. Okay. Jay, what's your P&L? What's your balance here?
-7.
Okay,
Seven,
we'll call it
-7.
We'll call it flat. Dave, what are you sitting at, bro?
I'm sitting underwater. Negative.
I'm at 101 actually. Sorry, I just refreshed. 101.
Hold on,
Jeez.
I want to hear about the reigning champion underwater here. How underwater are you, bro?
Negative 260.
Oh, that's gonna be a burn. But I've seen him come back from worse.
Have faith in the champ.
Barely breathing, sir.
Nico,
Ooh.
what are you sitting on, bro?
Oh,
Well, I am at 993.
Okay, so Alex is actually leading at the moment. And Alex was saying last week he wants another crack at them. Alex blamed last week's slight loss on that he was market buying and that he knows better now. So yeah, I mean, this is a good start. That's a good start.
I'm also long fart. I did a very cheeky fart long.
When
So-
can we take it?
Sorry, you were doing your analysis, so I didn't want to interrupt you. But I'll share. Yeah, you guys can share my screen. Oh, you can see my.
Yeah, we can see your screen here.
Okay, sweet. So fart, I'm bullish long term. Well, not. let me paraphrase. Like on the hour time frame for like maybe up until 42 cents, I'm bullish. As you can see, Chart Prime printed this amazing rising channel right here. You can see the top right here. We bounce basically off this rising channel. We bounce off of this money flow POC, the quantum reactor, the dynamic reactor. We had a reversal here. Everything is very mega bullish, I'd say, up until this top of this range right here. So I'm long. I'm also short-term long as well. We're breaking through the quantum reactor here on the 5-minute, not even slowing down here. And we also have, let's see here, if I can go to, sorry, over here. On the 3-minute, we have also very strong money flow, just fully erect money flow.
Appreciate that analysis, bro. Appreciate that.
Yeah,
Now,
no worries.
the best part of what you said to me was long term, as in 1 hour. I mean, that was the best thing I've ever heard. Like,
As far as I go, man.
jeez, you proper deep in, bro. Okay, guys, so we are trading on the Gravity DEX. So just a reminder about what is going on here with Gravity. This is a pretty new DEX at the moment, and if you are trading on Gravity, what you can do is farm points by trading. So if you're just sitting on this thing, going about your business, trading long, short, doing what you're doing, you are farming points for the Gravity airdrop. You're going to earn rewards, and you guys know what happened to everybody that farmed on Hyperliquid. You know what happened to everyone that farmed on Lighter, and the same thing is happening here on Gravity. So all you need to do is jump into that show description, you click on more, and you can sign up to the Gravity link there. And reminder, there is 5 days left in the Banter competition. Look there at the bottom, crypto Banter trading competition, 5 days, 8 hours left. You're going to get a share of $15,000. Okay, so you can sign up to that link. Just use Banter Royale in your code. Okay, that's all you need to do, and then you are going to be part of this thing. So remember, if you're trading here on top of fees and things like that, you're going to earn points for the airdrop. So obviously a ton of upside. Bitcoin's looking bullish here. I feel like longing this candle, but it is looking, it's pushing into a little bit of a undercarriage here at the moment. How's our longs looking here, boys?
Super long.
Long and strong. Jeez, Dave's is
strong.
going inverse long at the moment. Dave's is busy going down.
Yep.
What's your plan? Tell the guys. How do you get out of a situation like this? What do you think your next plan is? Like, how do you navigate this now?
I'm gonna have to scalp a couple Degen plays here.
That's quite a thorough plan.
How much time do we have? How much time do we have
I might have to go a little big here on this Pengu.
Oh, nice. Come on, BTC. Let's push.
How much time do we have left, Dylan?
You've got 35 minutes, boys. There's a lot that can go down in 35 minutes. Yeah, at this rate, you're going to pick up a couple of shorts as well after this little pump here, I think.
On Sol.
Can we have a P&L check here, Alex? What's your official number?
The official number is 1,330.
Jeez, how big did you go on Sol when you went long there?
All in, bro. Yeah.
Well, like, what did you go? $20,000 or what?
What? No, I did. Yeah, 50x, 50x. Long.
Did you go
Everything.
$50,000 long?
Yeah. Come on.
I fucking love that, bro. I absolutely love that. $300 up. Okay, nice. Jay, it looks like you got a few positions there. Can you take us through what's going on here? What's going on in your screen? It looks like a Christmas tree at the moment. Let's take a look at this thing.
Yeah, I'm long on BTC. It was up 1,013 now. But I see a little bit of red candle in the 3 minute coming down now. So positions might go a little bit red. Now, welcome to the weekend range.
It just looks like you're on the top there. I like it.
No. It's actually, it was in profit. No, we've been long. I've actually added 3 positions to BTC. I was hoping to play it up to around 90K here and then TP out and then sit and act cute in the chat.
Okay, so you're a little bit red at the moment. I can't see totally clearly here, but I can see you in a couple of positions there. Okay, so you got, what is this? HBAR, BTC, BARD, and HYPE. Okay, is this a HYPE long?
Yep. That's a HYPE long, a BARD long, HBAR long, and BTC long. I just added to the BTC trade now. One of the orders got hit, and yeah, we're long for now.
Okay. Let's talk to Dave. Let's see. Okay, so Dave's got 3 positions open here. He's got 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and he's got Pengu short. Okay.
Yeah, so I just doubled down on H. Kind of watching this rising trend here. Here, I'll show you guys.
Oh, nice.
So a little bit of a Degen play, right? And it's up and down, up and down. This was just the initial open here, but bullish order block on the 3 minute, kind of rising trend, and yeah, just looking for some kind of pop here. I mean, all the oscillators are saying like reversal dot here. So we'll see. We'll see.
Look, this H can end you in one move, but it can also make you feel quite wealthy if you get it right. So yeah, high risk, high reward, I guess.
Yep.
What's the story with 𝗏𝗏𝗏? I know you've done a bit of research on it and things like that. Is it still a solid play other than a scalp?
Yeah. So this actually is something I've been looking at here for an actual play. 𝗏𝗏𝗏, let's bring it up. Yeah. So it with that sell off came right in the point of control 50-day moving average, anchored VWAP from the absolute lows. A lot of strength here. This is actually a big trade or a trade that I'm looking at as far as coming in. You know, if we come into here, I'm looking for that big pop here towards 18 cents in the midterm. But
okay,
you know, we could definitely see a pop here to this value area high, which is like a 12% move. Seems like we're finding some resistance here.
Okay, so a little dip. How big is this dip that you're looking at? Is this something you're trying to plan for like in the next day or so? Are you looking for a little sweep tonight?
Well, it could have been it right now, which is why I went a little long here for the comp. But Asia, if they sell it off first or whatever, I'd like to get this this dip here to about 1430. So I think maybe small position, just kind of average into this thing. It's been holding strength quite nicely here over the past couple of days, and you can see bullish divergence or spider webs forming here on the 2 hour. So
tell me about XBL, bro. Is that still a play?
It is not.
Why is Dave laughing? I mean, why is Jay laughing? Dude.
I got PTSD from that thing.
Dude, yeah. I'm in fucking PTSD on that thing. I'm sweating. I'm sitting in this this XBL. Okay, so are we not bullish on XBL anymore?
I mean, they have their announcement in like 9 or 8 days or whatever, but this was my invalidation, this value area low, so I've already cut the trade.
Thanks for telling me, bro. I'm still sitting in it.
I thought I told you.
No, dude. I just kept adding. I'm probably liquidated by now. What time frame is this? 30.
This is the 30-minute. Yeah.
Oh no. I mean, if that thing lost those levels there, I definitely got taken. Okay, we'll live to trade again. Yes, Jay shaking with his PTSD. When did this thing hurt you, Jay?
It wasn't this, it was just all your buy, all the way down to your conviction buys. I was like, investor.
That was such a shocker. Such a shocker. One of the researchers said this thing's going to the moon. It's a gravity, what did he say? Generational long. I was like, okay, well, what do I know? I mean, so I took the generational long to zero there. It was okay, boys, update. Nico, what's your account doing here, sir?
I should be around $10 profit right now.
It's better than negative $10, I guess. Looking good then.
Yeah.
I mean, Alex on fire, yo. So how many are you up now?
I cut my trade, so I'm at 1196.
1196. Okay, so $200 up. That's not bad. Probably worth parking for a while, waiting and see what the other guys do. Jay, how are you looking?
I was up $30 profit. Now BTC had a little red candle, so it should be back up when BTC pops up, back up around $30 again. But it's a flat at the moment.
Okay, so flat.
Yeah.
Dave, we won't ask. We'll leave it for now. When he starts turning green again.
Yeah.
Bad day at the office. I can see one is green though, bro. I can see one at the bottom there. Looks okay. One looks decent. What's the top one there? How much down is that top one?
350 on H.
Oh, okay. That's gonna hit. That's going to hell. That's gonna hit. Okay, guys, let us know in the chats. What charts do you want us to look at? We're happy to look at a couple of charts for you guys. Just let us know in the comments, and we can get some of the boys to look at a few more for you. And can we get these votes out here? I just want to see the poll results here. Let's see who you guys are backing. Oh, it's a little bit late now. I think we know Dave. Alex is 20% up here at the moment. JR's trading Mina. Okay, I don't even know what that thing is, guys. What is Mina? XBL straight to She. Pippin, that's a good one. Let's look at Pippin, guys. I've had a couple of interesting trades on Pippin. I'll share what I know on this thing at the moment. Heavily manipulated coin. Let's take a look at this Pippin here. What I did pick up
manipulated when you're in the wrong position.
Yeah, it's manipulated when you're losing. It's amazing trading when you're winning. Okay, so what I have picked up is they are following TA, these guys. Okay, so Pippin is respecting the VWAP. You can see it's respecting 618s and areas like that as well. And if you want to have a crack on this stuff, you got to play strategic areas. You got to wait for the big move. So, at the moment you can see Pippin dropped into that VWAP. That's that blue line over there. Okay, there's our little local VWAP from, where was this? From the Friday the 28th. Okay, so Pippin traders, right now it's respecting the VWAP. You can long it off the VWAP. You don't really want to long it once it's bounced off the VWAP. So let's just look at how long this thing has moved here quickly. We've had so far, I mean, this tiny move here is 12%. So if you're longing it now, you're obviously at 12% risk. In terms of where this thing can go, I think what you want to look at here is this undercarriage. You can see there's a beautiful level right here. And if Pippin does push higher, I think regular conditions, when it's not getting, you know, played around with, you should get some kind of rejection in that type of area. So in terms of a TP, in terms of a possible short, that's kind of making sense for me at the moment. So Pippin, guys, around about 225 into, say, 24 looks like a possible target, possible rejection zone there on that guy. But very dangerous thing to trade. Yeah, definitely small position type thing. You want to play in very low margin, I mean very low leverage, and you're going to need a wide stop on this guy. It's pretty volatile here. So targets here 22.8 into 24. Current support, I would say you can use this VWAP down to just above 15 here for this guy. Who likes XRP here? So you boys like XRP? Not all at once, though. Not all at once.
James is not here.
Well, I mean, the thing about XRP, it does know how to respect a level and a FIP. I mean, you can see this here. Look at this 199. This is your current XRP bounce zone. You can see they are trying to react it here at the moment. 2 hour doesn't look great to me. Okay, I mean, it looks like a possible divergence brewing if it does get a little bit of energy. But I'm not loving this rejection from earlier today. But you can see on the price, we've printed a new low, and this oscillator is still cooking up here. So you might find something like this cooking on XRP, but right now 1,996 is support. And then I'd say like the best trade here that will print us some divergence is got to be this long off 1.9. This looks like a really interesting zone to me. So 1.9 into 1.88 looks like a banger here, and that'll be a nice divergence print on that 2 hour on XRP. So this could mean a little bit more downside in the market, but in terms of a banger, like I think you get something here that is relatively sustainable on XRP. So 191 into 188 looking good, and then current support for the short term 1996 looking interesting here. We've got the results of the poll. Where did they go? Oh, there they are. Okay, so the guys were backing Dave heavily. 47% were backing Dave. 9% went with Nico. I think he's a bit of a dark horse here. Jay 24% and Alex 20. Now they did have a little bit of time because they heard Alex was leading. So I don't know. I think 60-70% would have gone with Dave there, bro. The man's got a reputation. Okay, he's got a reputation. Guys, reminder that link for our scalping tournament, our scalping Zoom is going to be, it's here in the show description. So just go under more. There it is. Exclusive workshop. Okay, how to print with scalping. Join Dylan and Degen Dave. Click on that. You just have to have a 2-bit account that's linked to Banter and get $100 in your account. There you go. And then you'll be ready to trade. Okay, so very simple way to join that Zoom. And we're gonna share a couple of things with you guys. Boys, I feel like we need an update. And I feel like we need you guys to look at a couple more charts for us and maybe just share a couple of tips and tricks for the guys on, a couple of things you guys like to do here. Let's talk. 𝗙𝗫𝗄 says he's in XBL for the tech. Adrian says, what's XRP? And James is logged in. Okay, James is here. James is here. James thinks XRP is going to 10 tonight, boys. It could be. Tonight could be the night.
Could be the night.
Let's see what else we got going on here. We got 𝗏𝗏 looking for. He says, how's AVAX looking? Looks bullish. Bouncing off a trend line at the moment here. There's a lot of hype questions still. Steve is long 𝗬𝗎. Steve, I'm also long 𝗬𝗎. Hopefully I'm not getting rinsed here on this thing. Hopefully we're pushing up here a little bit. Virtual, yeah, there was a question on virtual. I've got this virtual chart here, guys. If you want to see it quickly, let me just show you. I watch virtual pretty often. Often on my watch list. You can see we've dropped on the 1 hour. We've dropped into a bounce zone. Okay, so there we are. Virtual at 81 down to 80, and it looks like we're going to get a reversal pretty soon on that 1 hour. So I would back virtual for a bounce here. That makes a ton of sense to me based on what I'm looking at there. We should see some kind of even short-term bounce now coming on virtual. So quite an easy play. Your exit plan is going to be a close under 798. So if you get a candle close under 798, you probably want to jump out of that thing. It could get a little bit ugly. And then right now, in terms of possible stops, yeah, you probably got about 2% risk here, 2.5% risk, and then upside, you want to just ride it to the high, 5%, and then maybe into that undercarriage there, possible 10% move here on virtual for you guys. So yeah, 5 to 10% potential upside. Risk is about 2.5% on virtual. Okay, so it looks like we can get something here. It's nice to have James here. Sorry, you woke up a little bit earlier for us. Okay, boys, let's talk to Alex. Tell me about your basic trading strategy, your scalping strategy. What are your tools? And what type of tokens do you focus on generally?
So for me, let me switch screens here. I like to stick to like the big, like the big three is what I call them: Sol, ETH, or BTC. Because generally speaking, the entire market follows their moves, right? Their movements. So it just makes it easier to kind of cut out the noise, right? In my opinion, especially on the smaller time frames, you could be analyzing, doing some TA on like 𝗙𝗏 or whatever, and it could be bullish, but Bitcoin's showing some bearish tendencies, right? So unless you really got some fundamental analysis or some kind of a news catalyst that it's going to pump, in my opinion, on the smaller time frames, it's tougher to do on those coins. So I like to stick to Sol, to BTC, to ETH, and hey, I can make up with it. I can make up for the huge gains that I'll get on like 𝗙𝗏 with some big leverage on Sol, right? If I do 50x average, 75x leverage, that's plenty, and you're going to make a ton of money. So the tools that I like to use, and look at this, I cut my long way too short, but I could have been crushing right now. But I was
pumping. Yeah, it's pumping again.
Yeah. So I cut my long, but as I said earlier, I still think we're heading up to around 132 area. So what I use, and I think everyone knows the prime oscillator here. There's a myriad of confluence that I use on this. There is, we have these new we have these new diamonds. There's the blood diamonds right here, which are really good at coloring reversals. The green diamonds also the other way around. And then we have the yellow dots, right? It's not just the blue dot anymore. It's the yellow dot, and those things call amazing money flow divergence, right? I don't know if I have them on my screen right here, but if you go into the settings, I don't have it turned on, you can turn on money flow divergence. You'll see the dots populate there once this gets done loading. So it's basically just all these different confluence points. If they line up, if they all line up and they're kind of pointing in the same direction, then I go long, right? My basis for this long was I was on the 1 minute. I saw a ton of candlestick reversals right here. I saw the VWAP also providing its own reversal signals right here. And I saw some divergence happening right here as well. So that was my basis, and then I started to look on other time frames, right? I looked on the 5 minute for confluence. I looked on the 3 minute for confluence. The 1, the 5, and the 3 are what I usually go to for a smaller.
So nice high time frame view. Nice.
Yeah. Well, hey, this is we're talking scalping, right?
It's working, bro. I mean, I can see it's working. I mean, that was a pretty decent play. So, good for you. Well done. So guys, those indicators, if you like those types of indicators, you can actually grab that in the show description. Just click on more. You're going to see it there. We've actually developed, myself and Alex, we put together like a Chart Prime Essentials, a Hackers Essential package. And that is for the Chart Hackers audience and the Chart Hackers Discord members. And we've got indicators that a lot of our team use as well. So there's a lot of extra stuff. So on top of the stuff that you see me using on the show every day, there's a couple of extra things there that you're going to pick up from the team that we've included in that bundle. I see we're getting a big push here on BTC. I think we need an update on P&Ls here, guys. Jay, I see you frantically pushing buttons there top left. So talk to me. What's going on? I saw you market bought or sold something just now. What the fuck happened there? I saw that candle.
Well, I was trying to get into Sol. Yeah, I was trying to get into Sol, but it wouldn't take my limit, so I'm going to 𝗬𝗎. One of them is going to take it. One of these guys is going to take my order.
No, I saw that candle jump as you hit market buy. What is your current
limit buy?
What is your current balance here?
1,050.
1,050. Okay, it's $50 up. That's good. Dave, where you are? You must be making a comeback by now. They're a little bouncy here for you.
No, I am wrecked.
The champion had a bad day at the office. Okay, talk to us. What are we sitting on here, bro?
A 𝗬𝗛𝗢𝗍 long. I mean, it chopped me up already, but then I see the bounce, and so I'm going long. Wolfie, and then this Pengu.
Balance.
No bonus.
Spit it out.
350. I'm wrecked.
Okay, you boys have got 15 minutes. So Dave, I mean, I know if anyone's going to pull this off, it's going to be Dave anyway. You got 15 minutes. You got 350 left, and you got 50x leverage. So knock yourself out. I'm sure you can figure something out there. Alex, what's our balance there, sir? You haven't ended anymore.
I've been sitting on my hands. I kind of feel.
I think it's a fair shot.
I'm at 1192. So.
Okay, so Alex is pretty much 200 up. Nico, how are we looking there, sir?
893.
Okay, he's under a bit of pressure there. Okay, so Jay's positive. Alex, what was that? Nico, what was that big pop there on your screen there?
The gravity just updated.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm shorting 𝗏, by the way. That was not something I wanted to happen.
Okay, so we wanted to actually see that one go down. Okay. So Nico and Dave are having a hard day at the office today, and Jay's having a flattish day, and Alex is sitting there smugly in the corner drinking his tea. What are you drinking there, bro? What was that? A mug of what?
Green tea, bro.
Green tea. You know what you do. You trade the 3-minute candles. You drink some green tea, and you keep it zen. It's good, bro.
I got dog food too. So
he's got a bowl of dog food. That's everything a trader needs. You got everything you want. Okay, 14 minutes left. Surely we can get a scalp short here on some of these. I mean, I see Bitcoin is just pushed straight up into a little resistance zone here at the moment. I'm keen to hear what Dave's plan is going to be, because he's going to roll the dice pretty hard, I'm sure. One more crack at this. Are you looking at any particular token here, bro? What are you thinking? What's going through your mind here?
I don't know. I feel like 𝗬𝗛𝗢𝗍 is the Degen play here.
Jesus, SPX pumped, virtual pumped. God, find us something that didn't pump here, boys. Everything's just exploded off these levels here. Yep. Everything except what Dave longed there. H. Everything bounced. Literally everything bounced except Dave's long. Jeez, man. I mean, Nico was telling me hype is on a big daily level, and it's reacting here. 28.45. Hype's looking interesting here, boys. I mean, there's probably another scalp here coming on some of these. Look at that yellow line, the yellow dots. That is your daily level. I'm looking at the hype daily chart. Obviously, there's a ton of pressure on hype at the moment for the reasons explained, and that daily oscillator doesn't look amazing. It is still falling over a little bit, but a new low on hype is actually going to print bullish divergence on the daily, so that could be considered a reasonable start. There is a bit of volume here, hype traders. Okay, so a fresh low on hype, and that is either at, well, where we are here, 2850, or maybe even a push into this 25 into 27, that type of region here. That could definitely ignite something here for us on this hype on the daily time frame. So I wouldn't ask Alex to look at this one on the daily. I mean, is it worth looking at the daily, bro? Do you know what a daily is?
We'll see. For all you boring long time frame people, let's see. A hype.
Take a look here for us, bro.
Check it out. Let's see.
Okay, I'm showing your screen here. Let's see your view on hype.
All right. Oh man, I don't know, man. It's not looking. I mean, we don't have too much data for hype here, but I got no love on money flow. We got our main oscillator pointing down. Only thing bullish we got going for hype is that we have some bullish volume on the oscillator, but yeah, I mean, I would even have to pull out a fib on this one. You know. But we are at the 6.8. This is the golden pocket. So, you know, we got that going for it. But there's no love from Char Prime, that's for sure.
Look, there's heavy sellers here at the moment. I think they move. A lot of them are moving into the other drops from the other exchanges. So yeah, that could explain a lot of the pain.
For sure.
I'm a hype fan though. Probably to my detriment here at the moment. So yeah, let's see if we can get a bounce. I like.
Are you about the fundamentals?
I'm so like. There's only a handful of shit coins that I actually like believe might do something, and like Hyperliquid actually makes money. You know, obviously there's use for Bitcoin. Pump, I mean, I don't know. Pump sometimes makes a bit of money along the way.
Doesn't it? It has like an exchange, right? Like it's the huge. I always hear about like hyper liquidations and all that. Like what's it about?
It's a DEX like Gravity. It's the same.
Oh, it's a DEX.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. It's the same. It's the same. It's exactly the same as what we busy on.
I gotcha. But Gravity's way better, right?
Way better. Way better. And you could farm it, obviously. And you could earn points. Yeah. Boys, updates. Nico, you got a big pumper there, bro. I'm scared you were in a short there. What?
Yeah, I'm sending 𝗀 to 0.
It looks like it's going up though. Do we not want it to go down?
Yeah, but I caught the top.
Oh, very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, so Nico's in a 𝗀 short right now, guys. Davey, what do you got there, bro?
Just in a 𝗵𝗔𝗔𝗍 long and a 𝗚𝗏𝗍 long and
praying.
Yeah, praying.
Might have to ramp up that size, guys. You got 8 minutes left. I mean, now's your time. If you're gonna make a move, this is it, I guess. Jay, what are you looking at there, bro?
At TP, the longs on that green candle, and did take quite a bit of the profits off on the limit market close on some of them. Still in profits though.
Balance.
Yeah, balance is 110, only $10 profit now.
$10
profit was,
guys.
$40 taken from market buys.
Guys, Alex is $200 up. You've got 8 minutes. Can you guys stop dicking around? Can somebody take a trade?
Sure.
You know what I mean? You got to make $200. The man's not even going to trade. He's going to sit there.
Sounds fantastic.
Can somebody take a trade on size?
Yeah, that was the first problem. I went and took a BTC long with like $100. It was not $1,000, $10,000 on the trade. It's always the USDT size here. Yeah, no.
You got to press now, boys. You got to press. You got 7 minutes. Dave, you got $350 on 50x. That sounds like about an $18,000 position to me. Sounds like something can happen there. Jay's got enough ammo there for a 50k size.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a scalp on BTC. Yeah, hits it hard.
Well, you got 7 minutes. I mean, Alex is looking very relaxed at the moment.
It's okay. Well, maybe we should make him sweat.
Okay, Nico short's turning green.
I think Jeff could help us. Ask Jeff.
Dude, we need Jeff back
Should
so
we go
badly.
green or red?
We need him back so badly. In fact, in 5 minutes to go, I think Dave's got to roll the dice here. And he's basically got to go with what the audience wants him to do here. It's pretty much what it's come to, Dave.
Everybody, if you can just go to your favorite exchange and buy
Yeah, and buy H.
I would really appreciate that.
Bro, I'll even help you. What are we buying? Mooding. I'll buy Mooding.
Let's go.
Bro, Dave, I'll market by Mooding for you. Yeah, watch. I'll do it for you, bro.
We need the 10% FU candle. Let's go.
It's actually moving on the 1 minute. Don't worry, Dave.
Wait, I'm gonna do it for you, bro.
We're coming back. 120.
Let's go.
We're freaking sending it.
Okay, Dave, I'm literally buying Mooding here. Zoom in on your candle, bro. Okay, go into your candle. Zoom in on like 1 minute. Okay, this is my gift to you, bro.
Let's go, guys.
Wait, it's coming. Wait, it's coming.
Market
Hold on.
manipulation.
We can do
Market
this.
manipulation.
Hold on. Okay, are you zoomed in on the 1 minute, bro?
We are zoomed in on the 1 minute.
Okay. Oh wait, this thing wants me to log in. Yeah. Hold on. Let me just do what I need to do here to get.
He just plays a TP over there, so it picks up directly. Nice move, Dave.
Okay, what's another one, guys? We're using cross.
Hold on. Oh my god, it wants me to log in. Yeah, hold on.
We're coming back, guys. It's 240. Keep the buy-in.
The whole community is working. We got it, Dave. We got it.
How much time do we have left here?
Nice.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get this thing going. Yeah.
Liquidation 087.
Don't worry about liquidation, Dave.
No, I'm just gonna see if I'm gonna get ended in front of everybody here.
We're gonna save you. We're gonna save you.
Okay, let me buy some Mooding. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there's a use case for it if you didn't know.
All about the fundamentals, right? What's the timer, dude? Where are we at?
Let's check where we are. Yeah, we got 4 minutes left, boys and girls.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
4 minutes left. Okay, Dave, are you zoomed in?
Yes. I could do another one, guys. We can do another one. Let's do Aster also.
Bro, you were supposed to be on Mooding there, bro.
I am, but I'm gonna do both.
I just bought.
We're crossing.
I went long
We're crossing
Mooding, bro.
this. We're crossing this thing.
I'm $12 up. $12 up, boys.
Crank up the music, dude. We gotta pump this up.
Okay, 3 minutes left, boys. 3 minutes left. Can we have a P&L update here? Jay, what's your
I'm
P&L,
same.
bro?
I haven't traded yet. I'm the same.
Okay, nothing from...
115, I think. 115, yeah.
Okay,
Trying to get into the
115.
soul shorter. There we go. Yeah, finally, this thing took my orders.
Okay, we're not going to ask Dave what he's in here. Let's ask Nico. What are you sitting on there, sir?
I'm at 993.
Okay, let's get this thing bigger here. Okay, that. Oh, I'm cooking here. My Mooding is pumping here, boys. Look at this.
It's working, guys. as a community, you come together and you just spot buy Moo-Dang.
Spot buy.
Spot buy.
Let's fucking
The fundamentals. We just phoned the Thai government to pump this move for you. Don't worry.
There's 2 minutes left. Dave, are you clipping profits there? What are you doing there, bro?
No, I'm 400% P&L, guys. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Oh my god, I'm 77 up here. I'm gonna get some more. Okay, we got 1 minute left, boys. We got 1 minute left. Okay, I'm $32 up in my Moo-Dang here. I've now doubled my size, so hopefully we go. Okay, P&L updates. Jay, as we stand with 60 seconds to go, what is your exact total right now?
110. Oh, sorry, 1,010.
1,010. So Jay is $10 up. Okay, Dave, what is your exact total right now as we stand?
586.
Okay, a little comeback there.
Nice recovery.
Okay, we know Alex is $192 up. Nico, what is your exact total now?
991.
Okay, 991. Looks like Alex is gonna take this unless you guys can work a miracle in 30 seconds. $20 seconds left, boys. Okay, let's close out those positions. Close out those positions, boys. 6 seconds. Look at all this market closing here. Time is up, boys. Time is up. Time is up. Time is up. Okay, so I think we know the champion. Yeah, Alex, congratulations, sir. You've absolutely nailed it. You committed last week. You said, yeah, you were going to make a comeback. Yeah, so well done for you, the champion. $5,000 coming your way. I mean, not bad for a Sunday afternoon little shake up there. Dave, next time, bro, it's fine. I mean, the man's got an 80% hit rate. Well, now it's like, what are we, 70% on this thing. But yeah, looking forward to the Zoom session. Dave's going to give you guys a couple of tips and tricks. Dave, any final words here? What do we do next, bro? After getting rinsed.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm not rinsed. I would say a little bit more of a move on Moo-Dang and I'll be back to break even. But I mean, just part of what it is on scalping. As good as some things may seem, H sent me to hell is the summary of what had happened today.
It's part of the game. It's part of the game. Okay. Jay, well done. You ended up flat. So a little bit of a mixed bag there for you. And Nico, thank you, bro. How was your first experience?
Thank you. It was wonderful, guys. Thank you for having this opportunity to be here with you and do this. It was awesome.
Dude, so good. That was so much fun. So, guys, there is going to be another Banter Royale coming up on Wednesday. Sheldon is running that one. He's also going to do some degen trading. Why Wednesday? Well, that is the FOMC. And there's no doubt going to be a ton of volatility on that. So make sure you are tuned in for that one. And then from our side, we've got the scalping session on Tuesday. Obviously, my show Monday to Friday. I'll catch you guys live trading anyway. And 𝗙𝗏𝗃's Discord members tonight, we've got the Sunday banger. So lots to look forward to. Alex, well done again to you, sir. And we're going to call it. Yeah, thanks, everybody. We'll catch you guys later.
So,
Later.